As you can see right here, the S10 has an always on display. This looks really cool, but we can make it look even cooler by customizing it. So today I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the settings, scroll down to lock screen. Here in lock screen you can see always on display. In here you can make a schedule and some screen orientation stuff, but we don't want that, we want to customize it. We do that under clock style. So click on that. Down here you can see always on display in lock screen. We want always on display. And you can see we have a lot of options right here. Let's say I want an analog clock. I click on this one. So it's already cooler, but I can choose a color. So now I have a very colorful always on display. I can click done. And now if I lock the phone, you can see my new customized always on display is right here. So that's how you customize the always on display on the Galaxy S10. See you in the next video.